Hey Alexa, what's your favorite animal?
Probably a red panda. What about you, Nevaeh?
Oh, I like tigers.
I like those too. Did you all know that both of those animals' populations are decreasing?
Hi, I'm Nevaeh, and this is Alexa. We are the new members of the Baden Academy Endangered Wildlife Research Project.
Our mission is to bring awareness of endangered animals and work with the organizations to help these populations recover.
Last year, the members of Endangered worked with 2 Pennsylvania organizations to make a downloadable board game about endangered PA wildlife.
Go to the link in the description for instructions on how to download that game.
This year, we have been focused on international animal populations.
We're going to tell you about 5 animals with decreasing populations, what's causing the decline, and what people are doing to help.
Let's start with tigers. Their natural habitat is Russia and Asia.
They are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Climate change plays a role too.
Organizations like the World Wildlife Fund are trying to help tigers' populations by helping governments combat poaching down animal black markets.
They also help with habitat preservation by creating protected areas and wildlife corridors.
Hopefully those will help reach the goal of doubling the wild tiger population. Now, let's talk about the Pallas cat.
The Pallas cat, they are native to Central Asia from Western Iran to Western China.
They are listed as near threatened mainly due to habitat fragmentation and poaching for their fur.
Pallas cats are very elusive and have not been studied too much, but conservation efforts focus on increasing habitat protection and protecting them from hunters.
Next on our list is your favorite, Alexa, red pandas. They live in Nepal, India, Bhutan, Myanmar, and southern China.
Yay, I love red pandas. They are endangered because of habitat loss, human interference, and poaching, but people are trying to help them.
That is right. Conservation of red pandas occurs through monitoring them responsibly to keep other human interference away. There are also fines for anyone found hurting them.
Next on our list is sea lions, which are endangered mammals found in oceans all over, except for the northern Atlantic.
They are endangered because of entanglement in fishing gear and climate change, harming their food source and environment.
We can help save them through environmental education, like limiting pollution and protecting their habitat.
Finally, we want to tell you about the most endangered big call, the Amur leopard.
They live in southeastern Russia and northeastern China, but less than 100 of them are thought to still live in the wild.
The armored leopard is critically endangered due to poaching and prey scarcity.
People poached them almost to extinction for their beautiful spotted coats, but there is still a chance to save them.
Anti-poaching work and habitat protection is the only way. The Russian government even made a safe haven for them called the Land of Leopard National Park.
Hopefully this park, located over their native breeding ground, will help protect the world's rarest big cat.
Well, that's all 5 of the animals we wanted to talk to you about today.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the Endangered website at the link in the description.
From there, you can download the original Endangered PA game. Watch previous videos and keep an eye out for future videos.
And remember to look for updates on an expansion for the game that we will be working on for next year.
Thank you for watching. Bye.